Parasites are unfortunately easy to pick up. They're in the soil, in certain foods like undercooked meat, people, and our pets. Parasites can affect our behavior, making us do things we normally wouldn't do. They are manipulators. Some parasites have even been studied for the possibility that it is they who are behind certain mental disorders, with studies suggesting that certain parasites are behind schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. And let's not forget that parasitic people, meaning personality wise, tend to cause others to develop mental health issues through their persistent maltreatment. And right now, if even talking about parasites makes you feel dirty, maybe it's time for a cleanse or a detox. Nettle is one of my favorite herbs. I feel like I say that all the time about every herb. But I typically consume nettle in a tea. But this time around, I wanted to make a nettle vinegar to get even more of this herb's benefits, since vinegar is a really good menstruum for extracting those minerals. The vinegar I used and recommend you use is apple cider vinegar. The other items you will need are something to help press the liquid out, an amber mason jar, some sort of strainer, wax paper to put between the glass jar and the lid if the lid isn't acid resistant, or plastic. And lastly, you will of course need stinging nettle. I got mine from Amazon, by the way. So the vinegar is going to be super strong. And so I mixed mine with water or tea and just took it that way. But you can get as creative as you want to with yours. And you can even make it a salad dressing. But that is all. So I hope you enjoy.